Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone stuck on dark mode. If you are say your setting is dark mode and it will stuck, then here are the fix. First workaround is force restart your iPhone. Press volume up button once and then force volume down button press and thereafter press and hold home button from the right side until the Apple logo appear on your screen. Press and hold until the Apple logo appear. So wait for some times and thereafter again unlock your iPhone, and check whether your error iPhone is stuck on dark mode is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, tap on settings, and here tap on general and for a reset iPhone. Again, once tap on reset and choose reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone and tap on reset all settings. After that, restart your iPhone.